In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set the time and date on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time. And you want to type in time, T-I-M-E. Best match should come back with change the date and time. You want to left click on that to open up the new settings window. So if currently your set time automatically oval is in the on position, you will not be able to change the time manually. So you might have to turn that off. As you can see, my change has been grayed out down here. So you actually have to turn this off. So if set time automatically is turned on, you have to turn it off. And then underneath time zone, just left click inside this drop down menu and select whatever time zone you belong in or whatever time zone you want to put in. Doesn't really matter to me. And underneath where it says change date and time, if you want to change the actual time, left click on change here. So if you want to change the date and time, just go ahead, change it right through here. Once you're done, left click on change. The change should take effect immediately. You shouldn't have to click on OK or close out of any other programs to restart your computer because you should be good to go at this point. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.